ALCATEL OneTouch Idol to us, and let me show you how to enable battery saver. At the very beginning, open the list of all apps, then select the settings, scroll down and select battery management. Here you can quickly enable this mode by tapping on this switcher. If you would like to personalize it, just tap over here. And now you can change the brightness level. Or disable some particular applications. You can also activate automatic sleep mode after a certain time of inactivity, for example, after 2 minutes. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up.